the end of single crochet, I said I was going to be back with a double crochet, and I forgot a stitch in between. So today we are going to be talking about the half double crochet. Now, half double crochet looks like this in written HDC, and it looks like this in charts. So, half double crochet is slightly taller than single crochet, but it is not as tall as double crochet. This one's another basic stitch. It's actually used quite a bit. And so without further ado, I will show you how to do this stitch. Today, our start off chain is actually 12 stitches long, or 12 chains long. So here's 5, 10, and 12. That's because for the half double crochet, you start from the 3rd chain from hook. So we yarn over first, and then we go 1, 2, 3, head into this chain, yarn over, draw through, and now we're going to yarn over. We have 3 loops on our hook. We're going to yarn over and draw through all 3 of those loops. So again, yarn over, go through the chain, yarn over, draw through, 3 loops on your hook, yarn over again, and draw through all 3 of those. And that is your half double crochet. Yarn over, through that chain, yarn over, draw through a loop, 3 loops, yarn over, draw through all 3 of those loops. Get you a little closer here, yet a wee bit closer. Yarn over, through the chain, come on, get in focus, through the chain, yarn over, draw through, 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, and draw through all 3 of those loops. And that is your half double crochet made. This is actually, besides the single crochet, this is actually a really good one to use for blankets. And I am going to go ahead and crochet my little heart away to make these 10 half double crochets across to the end chain. And just like the single crochet, I will show you how to manage to turn this around. I'm going to come out just a little bit here. And the last chain. And there we go to the last. So there are 10 half double crochets. And now you're going to chain 2. So 1, 2. Most saying it is just a little bit taller than the single crochet. Now with the back side, now that we're looking at of the half double crochet, you are going to see that there are the 2 stitches on the 2 parts to the stitch on top that kind of looks like that, the bottom part of the chain. There you go. And then there is this little one, this back stitch behind here. You're going to, unless the pattern says to catch that one, you are going to want to miss that. So you're going to want to yarn over to start your next half double crochet, and you're going to want to go over that back loop. So then that way you are working with just the, let me move the yarn out of the way. So you're just working with those two. So then we're going to yarn over and draw through, yarn over again, and draw through all three, just like we did the rest of the way. And so you're going to get that silly little bump there, and that's just part of the stitch that's going to be visible. Kind of its enduring quality, if you will. So it's yarn over, go through those two, yarn over, draw through a loop. You have 3 loops, yarn over again, and draw through all 3 of those loops. And that is how you work the half double crochet. I'll show you a few more times here. And like I said before, with the single crochet and the chain, if you need to slow this down, rewind it, replay it, go right on ahead, and I will work this through to the end here. Like I said, you're going to have that added little ridge, which I think is actually really fun. All the way to the end. And now you can always count over to make sure that you're catching the right one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. And you're going to go right into this one. And that is going to be your grand finale for this row. So that is half double crochet. So I hope you found that very helpful. The half double crochet. Like I said, if you need to rewind, pause, speed it up, slow it down, whatever way makes it easier for you to understand the stitches that I was doing and the process that I went through to get that stitch, go right on ahead. It doesn't bother me any. So this time, when I say I will be back with the double crochet, I actually mean I will be back with the double crochet. So be sure that if you have not yet, hit that subscribe, hit the bell, see more of these, learn your crochet. And as I did say before, this is the basic stitches for crochet. Knitting will be coming up as soon as I finish the basic stitches for crochet. Thank you so much. Have a great night.